This is my code for the nested repeats. When I first click on the green flag, it will say reset, and then it will say if I draw an octagon, I get to eat cheese for 2 seconds. And then in the repeat loops, there's another repeat loops. This is like nested repeats, so it says repeat 4 times and move 20 steps, wait for 0.5 seconds. And then when you go up, it says turn 45 degrees and say squeak for 1 second, wait for 1 second. And then after doing all of these, it repeats 8 times, it will turn into an octagon. And let's see how this works. So it says if I draw an octagon, I get to eat cheese, squeak, and then it moves 20 steps, squeaks, turns 45, and then continue. And then it turns, and then it turns again, squeak, and moving 20 steps. And the last one. Okay, and that's it.